In the video today, we're going to be looking at how you can transform standard operating procedures or instructional guides into an AI voice agent. Well, the reality is that people learn all sorts of ways. So some people are visual learners where they like to read through instructions. You have others who like to watch tutorial videos. There would also be people who simply like to call someone for assistance to help them troubleshoot an issue on the go. This is where an AI voice agent can come in, where you can set up a centralized hotline for users to call for assistance at a time that suits them. Unlike human agents, the AI agent is available 24 hours, 7 days a week to provide on-demand support. Now, how good would that be? In this video, we're going to be looking at how we can use Scribe and Synthflow AI to build our AI voice agent, and I'll include links in the description below. If you haven't heard about Scribe, it is a platform that allows you to document and capture the steps that you perform on your desktop or web browser and transform these into step-by-step instructional guides. Synthflow, on the other hand, is an online platform that allows you to create human-like AI voice agents without any coding. So let's jump in and let's get started. Okay, so here I'm logged into my Synthflow account. Now, under the Assistant tab, you can select from 3 options. So the first one is to start from scratch. The second option is that you can use the Quick Assistant Setup feature, or you can browse from the existing templates. So in this example, we're just going to start from scratch. So I'll just click on this button here. And here you'll be given 3 options. So for the purpose of this tutorial, we're creating an inbound agent where the caller can call a centralized help desk number to receive online technical support. Now, this could be a software application, a process, or related to procedures. Okay, so now let's select inbound. Here you need to name your AI assistant. So in this example, we're just going to type in IT support help desk. You can also upload an image here to represent your agent. And now for the AI model, we're just going to leave it on GPT-4o. However, you can experiment this if needed be, and you can select from the Synthflow model or various other GPT models. Next, we need to add in our custom knowledge base. Now, before we add in our custom knowledge base, we'll need to create the step-by-step instructions to provide the AI agent so that when the caller is asking questions about specific steps in the process, the AI agent is geared up to provide the correct information. To do this, we'll just need to jump into Scribe. If you don't already have access to Scribe, you can use the link in the description below. And here I've logged into my account and we're currently on the main dashboard. Now, if you don't already have step-by-step instructions documented, you can use Scribe to automatically create those step-by-step instructions for you. So here I'm just going to create a step-by-step instructions on how to schedule an email in Outlook on the web. So here I've downloaded the web extension onto my browser to make it easier for me to capture steps online. So here we can simply select the Scribe icon and walk through the process as if we're showing a person how to perform this particular task. And in the background, Scribe will automatically capture the steps and the screenshots for you. And then once you're done, hit stop. And here you can see within a few minutes, Scribe has automatically documented the step-by-step instructions for you. Now, you can make some modifications to your step-by-step instructions if you need to. So if we click on the button here, you can edit your text here. If you need to create additional instructions, for example, there are multiple ways to schedule an email in Outlook. For example, you might have the web version, the desktop version, as well as on the mobile device. You can repeat the process and use Scribe to capture the step-by-step instructions. Now, once you're happy with the instructional guide, you can click on Share, Export, and here you can export the file as a PDF document. So here I'm going to select Download the document as a Word file so that I can combine the instructions and add any further information. To add a new document under the Knowledge Base tab here, click on the plus icon. And here you need to name the document. So in this example, I'm just going to type in Outlook Resources. And in the Triggers section, I've just typed in when the user asks technical questions relating to Outlook. So this lets the AI agent know when to pull the information from the knowledge base. Next, you want to hit Create. And here you need to upload your document. So I'll just click on this plus icon here. And then here we'll select Upload PDF. And now you can drop and drag your file here. Now, there are size restrictions when it comes to uploading a document. So you can see here there's a 10 megabyte restriction, which gives you approximately about 200 to 300 pages of content. If you're finding that your file size exceeds the maximum limit, you can go back into the Add Document section here and click on Blank Template. And here you can copy and paste your content here. Alternatively, if we go back and add a document, and here you can see that you can add a link to a website for the AI assistant to scan and draw the information. Okay, let's go back and add a document. Select Upload a PDF, and now let's drop and drag our file here. And then select Upload. And now back under the Configuration tab on the knowledge base, click on the plus icon and select the knowledge base and hit Save. Now you can also add words here to improve the accuracy and the recognition by the AI voice agent, or you can add in filler words for the AI voice agent to avoid saying out loud. Now, what I found during the test phases is that you don't necessarily need to set this up initially. However, as you're testing the AI agent, you might want to tweak this accordingly. So the other day I was testing the AI voice agent for a booking process. So in the testing phase, I noticed that the AI agent was referring to an appointment versus a meeting. So here we'll just type in meeting and press enter. And then under the filler words, we'll just type in appointment and press enter. This way, you're letting the AI agent know to use terms such as meeting and avoid using terms such as appointment. So next we'll need to add in our system prompt. So click on the prompt tab here. So under the custom greeting, you can type in your text or script here. So essentially here you want to type in what you want your AI agent to say when the caller is calling for assistance. So for an example, you might say something like, "Hi, thanks for calling IT support. How can I assist you today?" Next, you want to add in your system prompts. Now, the way that I like to think about prompting is similar to a job description. So you might add some information about the role, responsibility, but you also want to provide the AI assistant with instructions on how to perform specific tasks, as well as a script. Now, as I've already created a prompt earlier, I'll just copy and paste details over. And then once you've entered in your prompt, select Save. Next, let's have a look at actions. So here you can see you can select from a number of actions that you can perform during the call as well as after the call. For an example, the first one here is to send an SMS. For example, if you want to send a SMS notification and link to an online survey, you can use the SMS feature here. Now, if you're interested in learning more about how you can create online surveys using Copilot in Microsoft Forms, I'll put a link to a video here for you to check out. You can also transfer a call to a human for those tricky questions, or you can extract information from the call, as well as use custom action and integrate with various platforms. Next, we're going to do a quick test. So for this demo, I've already created a test phone number, and let's dial my mobile.
Hi, thanks for calling it support. How may I assist you today?
Oh, hi there. I'm having issues with my Outlook. Is this something you can help me with?
Absolutely, I can help with that. Are you using Outlook on your computer's desktop or through your web browser?
I'm using it on my desktop.
Great, let's get this sorted out. Could you tell me a bit more about the issue you're experiencing with Outlook on your desktop?
Yeah, sure. So I've tried to schedule an email in Outlook, and I've nominated a date and time for the email to be sent out. However, it doesn't actually send it out. Is that something that you can help me with?
Got it. You want to schedule an email? Let's make sure it's set up correctly. First, after composing your email, click on Options in the ribbon at the top. Then select Delay Delivery. In the new window, check the box for Do Not Deliver Before and set your desired date and time. Once that's done, click Close and then send your email as usual. Does that help?
Sure. So is that feature available only on the desktop, or is that feature available on the web only?
The scheduling feature is available on both the desktop and web versions of Outlook. On the web, you can find it by clicking on the drop-down arrow next to Send and selecting Send Later. Let me know if you need more help with that.
That's awesome. Thanks so much.
You're welcome. If you have any more questions or need further assistance, feel free to reach out. Have a great day.
Thank you. Bye. It's truly just amazing what AI is capable of nowadays. Now, as a previous technical writer, it's completely mind-blowing what AI can do in terms of transforming standard operating procedures or instructional guides into an AI voice agent. So this not only improves accessibility, it also empowers the teams to focus on what really matters most to them. Would you use this tool at work? Let me know in the comments below. Now, if you're interested in learning more about AI tools like this, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. In the meantime, you might want to check out the next video where I go head to head as a technical writer with the Scribe AI tool. Or you can check out the other video where you can transform a PDF SOP into a video. Thanks so much for watching. I'll catch you next time. Bye for now.